Hello friends, in today's practical we are going to perform Thevenin's theorem. So this is the practical circuit, okay, where we are using R1 as 6.8 kilo ohm, R2 as 18 kilo ohm, R3 as 4.7 kilo ohm and R as 22 kilo ohm. We are providing a DC power supply, that is 10 volt, okay. So we have to find out current through this 22 kilo ohm. If we find out the Thevenin's equivalent of this circuit, it will be look like this. So VTH is in series with RTH and that is in series with R. So we have to find out this current I. Now what we have to do? We have to first find out the VTH. So for finding out VTH, we need this circuit. Okay, so we got VTH as 7.26 volt. Then we have to find out RTH. To find out RTH, we have to remove voltage supply by its internal resistance. So 6.8K and 18K will be in parallel. Okay. So we got RTH as 9.64 kilo ohm. Finally, we are getting Thevenin's equivalent circuit as 7.26 volt in series with 9.64 kilo ohm and that is in series with 22 kilo ohm. If we find out the current through this circuit, this should be same as whatever initial circuit is there. Okay, so without minimizing or without converting this circuit, when we find out this current through this 22 kilo ohm, that will be same as Thevenin's equivalent current. Okay, so this is the practical circuit where we have used 6.8K as R1. This is the 18 kilo ohm R2 and 4.7 kilo ohm as R3. Here R is nothing but 22 kilo ohm. So once we build this circuit, we have to provide 10 volt power supply. So here we have provided the 10 volt power supply. Okay, now what we have to do, we will find out directly the current through this 22 kilo ohm. After that we will convert this circuit into Thevenin's equivalent and again we will find out the current through 22 kilo ohm resistor. So now to find out the current through this 22 kilo ohm resistor, we have to find out the voltage across this 22 kilo ohm. If you see voltage across this 22 kilo ohm resistor, it will be it will be 5.42 volt. So by calculations, if you find out this current, you will get it as 0.246 milliampere. Now we have to convert this circuit into Thevenin's equivalent. As we have calculated, we have to convert this total circuitry into 9.6 ohm, 6 kilo ohm. To get RTH of 9.64 kilo ohm, we have to use a resistor pot. So by rotating this knob, we have set the resistance value of this resistor pot as 9.6 kilo ohm. Okay, so we have connected this resistor pot in series with resistance R, and instead of supply voltage as 10 volt, we have given supply voltage of 7.2 volt. Okay, so this is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Now we have to find out current through this resistance R. If you connect voltmeter across this resistance, you will get reading as 4.53 volt. Okay, if you calculated this current, we will get I is equal to 0.26 milliampere. If you observe, when we have not taken the equivalent Thevenin circuit, that time the current which we are getting as 0.246. Okay, so it is approximately equal. So we conclude here that Thevenin's equivalent works similarly as normal circuit. So in observation table, you have to write supply voltage as 10 volt, VTH as 7.2, VTH calculated as again 7.2 volt, and RTH as 9.64 kilo ohm. And in table number 2, you have to write supply voltage as 10, I in observe 0.206 and calculated as 0.246, whereas Rn is 9.6 kilo ohm. So in this way we conclude this practical.